What's up, homesteaders and goat lovers? I'm so excited. I'm getting some new goats. And before you put your goats with the new goats, they must be in quarantine. So I didn't have a place to put them, so we made a plan. So today I'm going to show you with recycled stuff, old wood, and things what did we do to make them a place for quarantine. I hope you enjoy. Guys, this is a kraal in South Africa. I'm standing in a little room at the back. It's 6 meters by 6 meters, and then you can see the front. I think it's about 20 meters by 30 meters, and it's quite huge. The old people built this to put their animals in, and you can see, I think it's a half a meter, the thickness of this wall. So what I'm going to do, I'm excited. I'm going to buy new does, and you must put your new does in quarantine before you put them with your herd, because you don't know what illnesses they've got, and you don't want your herd to be infected. So what we are going to do today and tomorrow is we are going to put this little piece, a roof on top, and when it rains, the does will have a nice place to stay. It will be dry and cozy, and during the day they will be in this huge kraal for about a month. So at this side of the kraal you can see all the bully goats. It's the buck and three of the girls, they are usually bullies. So I'm keeping them apart from the herd as well. And then they are safe from the new does as well. So you can see it's quite a huge kraal, and it's so nice to have something like this on the farm. And on this side is the road, and all the goat mamas with their children on this side. So it's far from the new goats. So we had to use the tractors because it's huge poles. I think they are about 10 meters long, and they are quite thick and they are heavy. So you can see it's really thick and long poles. So guys, there's 3 of these that we need to get up, and they are heavy and they are long. Oh, and this was the last one. And guys, 1 pole is up, still another 2 to go. And now there's another one up, so yeah, 2 is up, still the last one to go. So guys, you can see this is the outside, and it's working very nice with the tires and the roof. So the goats got a safe place now. It's out of the wind and the rain and the cold. So now I'm going to the inside so that you can see. It's got a nice new roof. And you can see the thickness of the wall, so the tires is thick like the wall, and I think that no rain will come in here and the goats will have a nice place to stay. So the plan is eventually to put the whole kraal roof on, but yeah, that will be lots of money. So thank you for your time. I'm Marianne from Goat Mama's Homestead. I hope you subscribe so that you can learn more about homesteading and goats and sheep and things on a homestead. I'm new at goat farming, so I'm still learning. So I'm Googling things and I want to share it with you. So yeah, if you want to learn more, please subscribe. See you in the next video.